Hi, Byron Mathews with Cheyenne Fire and Rescue. Today we're going to talk about microwave safety. With today's busy lives, we rely on the microwave to do a lot of our prep work for our kitchen and even warm and cook our meals. We want to make sure that we're careful about choosing the right microwave height, making sure children that use the microwave are supervised. Just like this one over the stove, we want to make sure children aren't reaching over the top of the stove, accidentally bumping any of the knobs, levers that control the stove, trying to gain access to the microwave. When you're steaming your vegetables in the microwave, you want to make sure as you're pulling them out of the microwave to keep the bag away from your face, away from your hands, due to the scalds and the steam burns. When you're pouring the vegetables out onto the plate, make sure that you stay away, alleviating the steam burns. When you're warming your coffee, tea, hot cocoa on those cold winter nights, we want to make sure that you grab the cup by the handle, ensuring you don't grab the outside. The outside of the cup will be hot, you'll burn and scald your hands. Any additional information needed in regards to cooking safety, fire prevention, or microwave safety can be addressed by contacting Cheyenne Fire Prevention at 637-6311.